If your lines in Krita look shaky, rough, or jagged, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix jagged lines in Krita in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you're drawing characters, sketching outlines, inking clean artwork, or just trying to get smoother brushstrokes without fighting your tablet every time you draw. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Krita tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Krita and choose the Freehand Brush Tool from the toolbar. This is the tool you'll use for most drawing and painting work, so before changing anything else, make sure you are on the correct brush tool. You can usually find it on the left side of the screen in the main toolbar. Once you select it, you're ready to start adjusting the smoothing settings that control how your lines behave. Next, look for the Tool Options Docker panel. If you don't see it right away, you can enable it from Krita's workspace panels, because this is where the most important brush settings are usually located. The Tool Options Docker changes depending on the active tool, so when the Freehand Brush Tool is selected, you should see options related to brush behavior, stroke smoothing, and input control. This panel is where we're going to make the line correction changes. Now locate the Brush Smoothing drop-down menu. This is the key setting that helps reduce jagged edges and shaky movement in your strokes. If your lines only need a small amount of correction, choose Basic. Basic smoothing is a great starting point because it gently stabilizes your brush input without making the stroke feel too delayed. It gives you a cleaner line while still keeping the drawing process responsive and natural. If you want maximum smoothness, select Stabilizer instead. This mode is stronger and is ideal when you want very clean, controlled lines, especially for line art, inking, or precise shapes. Stabilizer works by smoothing out the movement of your hand more aggressively, which helps create a much more polished stroke. The trade-off is that it can feel slightly slower, so it may take a little practice to get used to, but the result is usually much cleaner. After choosing your smoothing mode, adjust the sample count and delay sliders. Increasing the sample count helps Krita look at more movement points before drawing the final line, which filters out tiny hand tremors and jitter. Raising the delay slider adds a bit more stabilization time, giving the software more opportunity to smooth out your stroke before it appears on the canvas. If your lines are only slightly shaky, use moderate settings. If your hand is very unsteady or you want extremely smooth inking, increase them a bit more until the line looks clean without feeling too sluggish. It's a good idea to test these settings by drawing a few practice strokes on a blank layer. Try drawing long straight lines, gentle curves, and a few quick strokes to see how the brush responds. If the line still looks too rough, go back and increase the smoothing settings a little more. If it feels too delayed or hard to control, reduce them slightly until you find the right balance between smoothness and responsiveness. The best settings depend on your drawing style, your tablet, and how much control you want over your lines. And that's it. By selecting the Freehand Brush Tool, opening the Tool Options Docker, changing brushes smoothing to Basic or Stabilizer, and adjusting sample count and delay, you can fix jagged lines in Krita and make your artwork look much cleaner and more professional. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other drawing problems you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.